Hello everyone, welcome back to Explore Lodhi. In this video, I will show you how to switch your Microsoft account to local account on Windows 11. This helps if you want more privacy, faster startup, and better security control. So let's get started. First of all, click on Startup menu and then open Setting. Now, as you can see, Accounts, click on it. A little bit scroll down and you can see your info. So click on it. Now, as you can see, sign in with your local account instead. Click on it. Click on Next. If you have passkey, then enter it. Otherwise, Windows will ask for your Microsoft account password for security verification. So I have passkey, so now I'm going to enter it. Now, enter your username and also password and confirm password. And click on Next. After that, click on Sign Out and Finish button and your PC will be logged out and you will be signed in your local account. But I'm now a perfect administrator account, so now I'm going to cancel it. If you ever want to switch back to Microsoft account, go to the same step, setting, accounts, your info, and sign in with Microsoft account instead. And enter your Microsoft email and password, and that's it. This is how you can easily switch between Microsoft account and local account on Windows 11.